It's 6 a.m. on a Sunday morning, but first, coffee. Before we go out into the countryside, I've just woke up, so first, coffee, and second, 10 minutes of Pilates, because I'm always so stiff in the morning, especially around my shoulders. So I like to do a little stretch in the morning just to loosen myself up a little bit. I don't have much room, so this is just what I've got set up at the end of my bed, and it's just enough. I used to think that peace was something I had to travel to find. I thought if I could just get far enough away from the emails, the noise, and the expectations, I might finally feel whole again, more at peace. My nervous system wouldn't feel so on edge. But burnout taught me a hard lesson. You can't outrun your own exhaustion. Peace isn't a destination, it's a rhythm. And today, I want to invite you into mine. It's a Sunday morning, the world is still asleep, but for the next few minutes, we're going to build a sanctuary together, right where you are. In the English countryside, we don't fight the seasons, we mirror them. In winter, the land is fallow. It isn't doing nothing, it is preparing. One of the simplest rhythms you can start today is the threshold ritual. Bring a piece of the outside world in. It might be a bare branch, a bowl of seasonal fruit, or just opening your window for a short time, just to let the stale air out and the fresh air in. We align our homes with the pace of the earth. Our nervous systems start to realize they don't have to be in emergency mode anymore. You are allowed to be fallow too. We often treat rest as a reward for finishing our work, but Sunday reminds us that rest is a requirement for starting our life. In the quiet of this morning, I'm reminded that we weren't meant to carry the weight of the world on our own shoulders. There is a beautiful invitation in Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. This isn't just about sleep, it's about a soul rest, a rest that the world can't provide. As I walk in the English countryside, I like to use this time to intentionally connect with God, to hand over the anxieties of the week that has passed and the fears of the one that is coming. As you breathe in the stillness, let these words from Psalm 23 settle over you. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. Notice the order of that. He makes us lie down. Sometimes burnout is the only way our bodies can force us to find those quiet waters. This is our time to be refreshed. Let's take a moment now to pray for the week ahead. Lord, we ask for your spiritual protection. Surround our homes and our minds with your peace. As we step into Monday, cover us with the promise of Psalm 91, that we will find our refuge under the shadow of your wings. Equip us with a spirit of power, love, and a sound mind, so that when the noise of the world returns, our hearts remain anchored in your quietness. The countryside doesn't hurry, yet everything gets accomplished. Your value isn't measured by your output, but by the fact that you are loved and cared for. Your wealth is measured by the stillness you are brave enough to keep with him.